Hey guys, it's Awesome Dude here, and today I'm gonna show you my new look, and I'm gonna play a little bit games of it. Okay, so this is the moment of you see my new skin that will ever be there forever. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, let's see if it loads. There it is, my outfit. Yay! If you don't like it, well then I'm sad now. Okay, let's play a little bit games with my new skin. Okay, so, but what should we play after it loads? Okay, ooh, ROBLOK High School. Should I? Nah. Let's play some Angry Birds Obby. Someone correct me, please? Okay, let's play this. I bet the Angry Bird is gonna look right into my eyes, and I'll look into his eyes. His blah. Okay. Doot, doot. Angry Birds Obby. This might be good or bad. Have you guys seen the new Angry Birds movie? Wait, that's not new anymore. Never mind. It's new for me. I don't know. Ooh, VIP. How much does it cost? Nope. I'm not buying that. Oh, what happened? Okay, I'm on stage 33 now. Hey, what happened? Guys, I hacked. Don't tell the government. Okay? Just kidding. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. Why do I keep dying? Hey, look, it's his feet. His tiny little feet. Yo! That didn't mean to happen. Okay, let's go this. What is happening? Okay then. Let's do this. 3, 1. Oh, I have to count down. Wait, why would I count down? Oh, okay. Okay, we got this. For, I don't know. For my mom. No! Okay. We always have to try. Practice makes perfect. Unless you're really perfect. Well, then no one is. Okay? This is hard because I'm playing on the tablet. And the jump button got more smaller. Dang it. Okay. Relax. I'm over there. Yeah, I got it. You just gotta relax. Relax your body. See? Relaxation. Some guy passed me? Oh, I wasn't paying attention and I fell. Wow. That doesn't happen every day. Oh, hi. I never seen the Angry Birds movie, so I don't know. Who is she? I know who is that. Redbird, I think. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna die. Someone help. Okay, I lived. Okay. Doing great. Great. Just kidding, doing bad. Okay. Oh, there's a pig over there. Okay. Oh, I was gonna fall. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is actually great. This is great. Okay, so okay. Oh, we're almost there. Okay. Hey, what happened? What happened? I'm gonna save this level. Might take me a while. Do you have to jump on this one? I don't know. What do we do? Do we not touch the red? This is tricky. Okay. I'm getting tired of this. All of these deaths. Death. That's a weird word. I said we were going to play a couple of games, not just one game. Okay. Let's leave this game. Okay. So, I have a lot of friends. Wow. Let's actually do something different. Let's join one of my friends. Ow. I just stabbed myself with my hair. That's weird. Okay. So, we should join... I'm gonna join... No one. I'm playing natural disasters. Survival. Whatever. Okay. Let it load. If I don't let it load, then it'll lag and stuff. Okay, now. Okay. See how it loads. Whoa. Just keep loading, just keep loading, just keep loading. Oh my gosh. That actually scared me. Made me jump. My laugh is weird. Okay. I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Tsunami. But I'm not in the building. Okay. There should be like rails. So you can know. So you don't fall off. People fall off. I'm gonna touch the tsunami. I didn't. I touched the water. Get to the water. Okay. What are they saying in the chat? I hate being AFK. Oh, you. I'm done. No more looking at chat. Okay. Hey, look, I'm on the leaderboard. I'm 97. Yes, my username is BudAndrew963. Don't judge. Oh, hello. Okay, bye. Why are there so many guests? In the comments, say who is the worst, noobs or guests? Okay. Okay. What are you doing? Whoa. I almost found guest 9999. But he's not. What is this? Do I touch it? What does it do? I don't know what it does. Okay, let's touch it. What? What is it? Read it. This is the weather machine. Powered it up to increase the number of disasters that would happen on multi-disaster rounds. Later. Okay. Hey, where'd everyone go? Okay. What? Why'd they spawn me last? Oh, I think we have to get under something. Oh, I'm gonna say that right. Set, go! I won't lose health. Oh, I did. Oh! I died! How did I die? How did I die? Hey, that guy's a noob. Oh, never mind. Okay, it's like a sandstorm or something. A snowstorm? Where even is there? Where are they? Oh, it's a blizzard. I thought it was a snowstorm. Wait, what's a snowstorm? Hey, guy. Why are you colorful? Because I want to be Andrew. Ah, don't judge. Okay. We just gotta wait in this weird lobby. I'm sorry for calling it weird, the creator. Oh my gosh, we're already 9 minutes in this. Maybe I'll leave you at 10. I'm just kidding. I don't know. When I feel like it. Maybe when I die the next round, I'll leave you guys. Okay, it's already 10 minutes, I think, or 10 hours. Wait, it's powered up? Power it up. How do you how do you power up? Power up. What? It cost 100 Robux to power it up? What? Only the richest man in the world, like Donald Trump. Boo. I'm sorry for people who like Donald Trump. I'm Mexican, so I wouldn't vote for him, just saying. I can't see anything. Okay. Next round, when I die, I'm gonna leave you guys. Oh, that guy has a balloon. Hello. Oh, I said hello, and he left. Hello. I'm trying to say hello to you. Wow, you have a scary face. Never mind, I'm leaving. Move. Okay. So far, those people have not that much health. So if I push him, can I push them? No, I can't. Whoa, 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 whoa! I just saw something. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. There's like a guy with like, I don't know. I might die really quick in this one. Go up the ladder! Whoa! That means I have to leave you now. No! Well guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Subscribe, comment, and see you later. Bye. For now.